Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Barclays Smart Investor. Today, we'll help you navigate the world of investing with Barclays. Barclays offers several account types tailored to your investment needs, including stocks and shares ISAs, general investment accounts, and junior ISAs. Let's walk through the process of opening and funding your account. Start by visiting the Barclays Smart Investor website and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly dashboard. Here's where you can view your portfolio and access various features. Barclays Smart Investor gives you access to a variety of investment options, including individual stocks, ETFs, and managed funds. Let's dive deeper into each of these. To make informed decisions, utilize the research tools available in the platform. From market analysis to stock insights, they're invaluable for your investment journey. Setting clear investment goals is crucial. Think about your timeline and risk appetite, and create a diversified portfolio to manage risk effectively. Regularly monitoring your investments ensures you stay informed about performance. Use the tools provided by Barclays to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget about the Barclays Smart Investor mobile app. It allows you to manage your investments on the go with real-time updates and alerts. You've learned the essentials of using Barclays Smart Investor. Now, take the next steps to begin your investing journey with confidence.